Hey guys, so I've been thinking about what I want to share with you guys as far as what I'm dealing with in my research with Gulf War illness. And I think really the best way for me to start is to explain exactly what Gulf War illness is. Gulf War illness is a prominent condition affecting Gulf War veterans and a cluster of medically unexplained chronic symptoms that can include fatigue, headaches, joint pain, indigestion, insomnia, dizziness, respiratory disorders, and memory problems. VA refers to these illnesses as chronic multi-symptom illness and undiagnosed illnesses. We prefer not to use the term Gulf War syndrome when referring to medically unexplained symptoms reported by Gulf War veterans. Why? Because symptoms vary widely. That is straight from the VA's website, and I think that's the best way to explain Gulf War illness. I don't see anything really talking about how it happens, but basically, from what I understand, is that Gulf War illness is induced by a myriad of medications or vaccinations given to soldiers for their deployments to avoid things like malaria, which, in my opinion, I would have rather dealt with malaria than this. And also, Gulf War syndrome can kick off from exposure to burn pits, chemical agents found in the environment. Particularly in my case, I was deployed to Taji, Iraq. And there is a lot of information about Taji, Iraq in terms of chemical warfare weapons. Saddam Hussein actually kept a lot of nerve agents there, mustard agents, and whatnot. And actually, the military and Pentagon has been really looking for a lot of people that were exposed to these chemicals. I myself kind of have a little documentation about my exposure out there. Specifically, I've got pictures like this. I was living right next to the burn pits and not really exactly sure what was in all those burn pits. A lot of spent ammunition casings and stuff like that. So yeah, I've got pictures like this where young innocent me at 20 years old had no idea that these barrels had these chemicals that were stored in it from the Iraqi army during the Desert Storm phase back in the 90s. So yeah, that's a little bit of insight as to what's going on with the Iraqi or the Gulf War illness issues that I'm dealing with. It's just a little bit of a kickoff. It's been a lot of research on my behalf, trying to figure out where it all went wrong. Right now I'm just kind of working with the Gulf War illness teams at Palo Alto in California, and we're starting off with that, and things are starting to progress a little bit now, but it's been a crazy 3 years. 3 years until I got my diagnosis. It's been a real challenge. So anyways, that's my little spiel for today. Kind of wanted to touch bases with you guys. I started that video a couple days ago, and I wanted to follow up, and I was really just kind of trying to figure out how I wanted to disseminate this information to you guys. And thanks for watching, and I hope I can reach out to some of you guys, and hopefully we can go ahead and move forward and investigating this Gulf War illness stuff. So, all right, take care, guys.